Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
How are you?
I'm alright, thank you very much.
What can I call you?
You can call me Ollie.
Describe yourself in one word.
Strong.
That's perfect.
Thank you.
Okay. What's your proficiency?
I'm so punctual. I'm hardworking. I'm dedicated. And as well as I never give up.
And what's your deficiency?
I'm a bit moody. And sometimes I cannot concentrate on my damn work. And the third deficiency, which is so bad, is aggressiveness.
That's perfect. Also, what's your future ambition?
I want to become a humanitarian person because I would really love to want to work for the poor humanity.
That's perfect.
Thank you.
What makes you happy?
Good environment, peace makes me happy.
And what makes you sad?
Frustration, tension, war, and everywhere is a pollution, and bad people, bad environment makes me upset.
What do you like in beverages?
I always like sugarcane juice.
Wow. What do you like in meal?
Chicken, mutton, fish.
You always prefer to eat chicken?
Yeah, exactly. Because basically I'm not a vegetarian. I'm not a goat. Sorry to say, but I'm not a goat. I'm not a cow that will just go for grazing. So according to my perception, that cow and such kind of the animals which are grazing the grass, so vegetables are for them. For human, I like a lion.
Okay.
So I prefer to eat meat.
That's perfect. Okay, jumping towards to the next question. What do you like in sports?
My favorite sport is rugby.
Rugby.
Yeah, I like it because it's a pair of game. So this is the way that you have a lot of opponents and you have to reach to your destiny with your target. So it means that you have competition and you just cross the river of your enemies and jump to your target and achieve it.
Wow, that's perfect. How many hours do you do sports in a day?
Usually I don't have any kind of the sports activities right now because I'm totally connected with some sort of the work regarding philosophy, regarding poetry. So I'm not giving any kind of healthy activities like sports games, totally out of that.
What's your hobbies?
My hobby, painting, poetry, philosophy, these are my hobbies. Cooking also,
Wow.
Gardening also, because I'm a good gardener too.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's perfect. I like it. So can you just tell me, what is life described in a small sentence?
Life is a combination of body and soul. So life is a beautiful thing. Depends on you how you see it.
Oh,
So it depends on your perception.
thank you.
Most
Nice
of it.
example. So, are you interested in politics?
I'm interested in constructive politics, not destructive.
Okay, so can you tell me what is democracy?
Democracy is a system that is a government of the people, for the people, and by the people.
What's your message to the people?
Just never give up and do the humanitarian work for each and every person in this world.
Can you explain that how to be never ever give up?
Thing is just that you're passing through a bad situation in your life. So it means that your enemies are laughing at you. So if you give up, so definitely they will win from you. But if you will just compete them and you'll wait for a positive time, positive scenario, so you will be able to conquer yourself one day. So it means I have learned this lesson of life from ant. If you see the ant, ant never give up. If you block the way of ant, it will go through 1,000 ways but reach to its destiny. So whatever I learn from the ant, never give up.
Wow, that's a nice example.
Thank you.
My last question from you. Current, who is your favorite personality?
Currently that I like Mr. Shah Rukh Khan because he's very hardworking and he's also an actor, but beside with acting, I like his philosophy, his confidence, his behavior, his dedication, his humanitarian work, his walking style, his talking style, and he has a very positive mind. So these all combination makes him a perfect person of Bollywood.
So you know him very well about him, so it's mean that you can talk like him also. You can make him mimicry like him.
Yeah, I can also. Yeah.
So thank you so much. It was nice interview with you. Thank you. Thanks again.
Pleasure mine.
Thank you so much.
Take care.